What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a twist out just because I need my hair to dry quickly. So I'm trying to use Up products. So today I am using the Poppin Pineapple Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm also going to use the Blueberry Bliss Curl Sculpting Mousse. You guys know I have used this before. It's not one of my favorites, but I do want to get these products used up. And so I'm gonna go ahead and use them today. So this is my hair. The leave-in is already in my hair. I applied it in the shower as I always do. So now I am going to just start applying the mousse and putting my twist in. So I am going to, you guys know how I do. I am gonna do a flat twist. I hope it dries. Flat twists don't usually, they take a little bit longer than two-strand twists in my opinion, but I want my roots to be as straight as possible. So I am going to just do flat twists at the nape of my neck. I'm gonna do two-strand twist at the nape of my neck, and then I'll do flat twist in the bigger areas. I'll do a two-strand twist here and then flat twist there. That's what I do. It just seems to make my twist a little bit tighter. So that is what has helped me. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. And we're going to go ahead and just apply the mousse. I'm trying to get some out now. This is one of those bubbly running mousses, and that's one reason why I don't care for it. I prefer the ones that come out in a big ball or big, you know, mound of foam. Those are the type that I like. They are not as messy in my opinion. They seem to be a little bit more moisturizing for the most part in my opinion, and I just like those better. But I'm gonna use this because I want to get these products used up. Now I do want to talk a little bit about the Poppin Pineapple collection. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know that I have used the Poppin Pineapple collection multiple times on my channel, and I've liked it. I've talked about it. I've said I think that people have slept on it. I thought they were really good products, and at the time that was true. But I feel like that something has changed maybe with the products, or maybe it's just my hair is longer now, and maybe it just doesn't care for the products as much as it used to. But I really did like the wash to the Poppin Pineapple collection, which is the shampoo. It's creamy, it doesn't strip the hair, and it does cleanse it, and it's still not bad. But I remember it being a little bit more moisturizing than I feel it is now. And then I'm just getting a little bit because this mousse is already on my hands. And then when I went in with the deep conditioner back in the day, I remember saying that the deep conditioner had a little bit of slip, and I was able to detangle with it a little bit. I never said it had a whole lot of slip, but I did say it had some. Well, when I used it today, I didn't really feel hardly any slip, and it just didn't feel real moisturizing to me. I did sit with heat and I rinsed it out, and my hair felt okay, but it didn't feel like, oh wow, my hair feels really good. And I'm just like, these products used to be better in my opinion. So I don't know. I don't know if they've changed the formula or not. I don't know if maybe it's just my hair. My hair likes something different now, or maybe I've grown. Maybe back then that what it's doing was slip to me compared to a lot of other products, and maybe now it's not as good. So my wash day was just okay. Then I added the leave-in in the shower, and the leave-in isn't bad. The leave-in went on the hair, it's soaked in. You don't see it sitting on top or anything, so it's soaked in nicely, and it softened the hair and everything. So the leave-in is still okay, but I probably wouldn't buy just the leave-in. So for me, this collection is probably one that I would not pick up again. I know I said before that I would, and I have the gel to it. I did use the gel for wash and go, and I got an okay gel, and I actually was going to try to reuse it again and see how it does now, and I still might. But I know just from today, guys, I need to get a towel. I usually have a towel with me. I don't know why I forgot to bring it up here, but just from today, my wash day today, I can tell that I'm probably not going to repurchase these curls. They had a website, and they still do, but the website goes right to the Amazon store. So I don't know, it might be easier just to go, you know, look them up on Amazon versus going to Curls per se. And I don't know if that has something to do with the fact that they're just not getting a lot of sales or whatever. I don't know. But the Poppin Pineapple collection and the Blueberry Bliss collection were my favorites. The Blueberry Bliss #1, Poppin Pineapple #2. From the curls line, there wasn't a lot of other things that I really liked that much. So with that being said, I just feel like I want to use up these products and get them out of my stash and free up my real estate over there and put something else over on the shelf that I really like. And that's probably going to go for the Blueberry Bliss too, because I do like it. I like the twist and shout cream. I like the deep conditioner. It used to be on my deep conditioner faves all the time for the Blueberry Bliss line. And I still like it. I'm not saying that I dislike it, but what I'm saying is it's time for me to move on. And I just feel like there are some other brands that I like just as well that could take up that space and that I feel I would get more, you know, use out of. I feel that have better sales and stuff like that. Curls never really has really good sales. They do okay. Every once in a while they'll, you know, have a $10 sale or something like that, but they've never had really good sales in my opinion. And they never, in my opinion, this is me, for me, they never really recognize us, the influencers, a whole lot, in my opinion. Not the ones that I watch and keep track of, not those influencers. So as much as I've talked about curls and other people and they haven't, you know, really reached out, or I mean, I don't even have a discount code for curls. So yeah. I'm just like, you know what, let me just use up the stuff and then I'm gonna move on to other brands. So so I did my flat twist on top, have that underneath, so you see what I'm doing. I'm just going to continue to do that around my head, and I'll be back when all the twists are applied. Okay guys, so I got all the twist applied, and yeah, hopefully they will dry by tomorrow. So like I said, just trying to use up these products and yeah, make room for some other things. I'm just starting to find out that I like a certain thing for my hair. I like a certain feel. I like a certain, you know, slipperiness, moisture levelness, and things like that. And it's getting to the point where if a product is not providing what I like, I don't care how much it costs. I don't care who made it. Any of that. If it's not providing what I like for my hair and giving me the feel and the look that I like, then I'm not going to keep using it. I'm not going to keep trying and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I'm not going to go into a lot of that right now, because I think I might do a deep condition with me and chit chat while I deep condition and talk about things that I just been thinking about recently in regards to my hair, the products that I use, the content that I'm going to do and stuff like that. So we'll see. But anyway, I'm going to let this dry, and hopefully it will give me the moisture and the definition that I need with no flaking. And yeah, hopefully it'll dry by tomorrow. So I will be back for, well, I'll try to be back for the takedown. We'll see. All right, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, I am back, and it's actually 2 days later because I ended up not having to take my hair down yesterday, which was great. So it got an extra day to dry. So this is what it's looking like. I will say that it's a little bit frizzy because I just took a hat off. I have been outside, but I had a hat on my head because I needed to run a few errands. So there is a little bit of frizz up here, but we're gonna go ahead and take down these twists and see what this hair is looking like. So, excuse me. We're going real simple today because it's warm here, it's humid here, and because all I had to do was a few errands, and now I am in the house and just going to take care of some stuff in the house. I'm not going to put on makeup, so yeah, we're going to do the bare minimum and go from there. Hopefully you guys can't hear my timer going off. I got something on the stove that I actually need to get, but I think I have time to take these down. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Coming down pretty easily. So remembered I used the Poppin Pineapple leave-in and the Blueberry Bliss mousse for this twist out, and we're gonna see what it's giving. What I will say off the bat is my hair is soft. There's no crunch, which is good, but I've felt my hair feel softer, and I felt it feel, well, I mean, it does feel moisturized. I'm not gonna say more moisturized because it does feel moisturized, but I know that it's not as moisturized as it could be because of the way the ends are frizzing out, and that's not from the hat. The hat didn't touch the ends. So you see, if y'all can see that, how the ends are a little bit frayed. So that means that my hair isn't as moisturized as I would like. And yeah, but again, because it's a mousse, it won't take anything for me to you know, re-moisturize my hair if I have to, and I might have to. So I'm gonna be traveling, and I didn't want to go with a wash and go. Don't ask me. I mean, I figured I'd try to go with a twist out, and we're gonna see what happens. If worse coming to worse and I need to wash my hair there and put it in a wash and go, I can. That's no big deal. But I just kind of wanted to go with a twist out, and that way it's easier for me to put on a hat if I need to put on a hat, because I can lay my hair down a little bit easier. It's not as big as it is with a wash and go, and it's stiff. Not that my hair is stiff with a wash and go, but you know what I'm saying. It's just easier. I can manipulate my hair a little bit easier with a twist out. And if, like I said, if I need to, we go swimming, if I need to wash it, I can always, you know, retwist it and let it dry, or I can put it in a wash and go while I'm there or whatever. So I just opted for this. So yeah, guys, with that being said, it looks plush, it looks healthy, it looks just a little bit of frizz on the ends, but I'm not opposed to frizz. You know, that's not going to make or break me, but for sake of the video, I will say that I've had other twist out combinations that did better, that didn't give me the frizz on the ends. So will I do this combo again? Would I do it again? I would, at least to get rid of the product. And then, like I said earlier in the video, I probably wouldn't repurchase, because that mousse is not my favorite, so I definitely wouldn't repurchase that. And then curls, you know, most of their products you're getting off of Amazon anyway. I think I don't know if she's getting rid of her site, or I don't know what's going on with curls, but I got so many other products that I like that I don't have to buy curls. So like I said, if I saw it on sale in Target, I would still pick up the Blueberry Bliss line because I do like it, minus the mousse. But the Poppin Pineapple collection, I'm not sure. It's just not doing the same thing for me as it used to, in my opinion. And I just, like I said, it works and I like it, but I like so many other things better that I would go with for the other things first, even if I have to order them. So that's that. So have any of you tried this combo or something similar? Let me know. If you've tried either of these products in a different combo, let us know that. Let us know how you feel about them, what works, what doesn't work. We want to learn from you in the comment section. And yeah, tell me what you think about this twist out so far. So I'm on my last twist, and like I said, I don't think it looks bad, and I'm not even going to do a lot of stretching or a lot of fluffing or anything to it. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. So yeah, of course, if you want to make yours bigger, you can separate more, or you can just lift with a pick. But I'm not gonna do any of that because like I said, I'm just working around the house. But I did want to pull it out so you can see. The definition is crazy. I think I got some really good definition actually from these products. And like I said, it's soft and it does feel moisturized right now. And yeah, I'm just gonna let it do what it do. I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. I feel like I keep saying I'm not gonna do anything to it, but I feel like these big chunks, y'all know me, I like to separate and get it bigger. So when I feel my hair and I feel these big chunks, I just wanna go in and separate, but I'm gonna try not to. I'm gonna try to let it just kind of work its way out on its own so it'll last a little ways for my trip. But anyway, guys, that's it. Let me turn around and let y'all see the back just in case. Sorry about all the junk in the back, if you can see a lot of junk in the back. But all right, guys, my timer is going off, so I need to go get my food that's on the stove. And yeah, I will try to come back. I'll try to come back on day 3 and let you see it, but it might be in a vlog style because I'm going to be traveling on that day. So I don't know if I'll have enough time to actually do a sit down. So yeah, guys, this is it. Let me know what you think about this twist out. Let me know what you think about the products that I used. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.